Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial for TMDL view for Power BI Desktop. This new feature lets you script, modify and apply changes using Tabular Model Definition Language, providing an alternative experience to semantic modeling using code instead of a graphical user interface such as Model View. TMDL view enhances the semantic modeling experience for Power BI developers, offering several advantages, such as this enhanced development efficiency with a rich code editor that includes search and replace, keyboard shortcuts, multi-line edits, and more. It increases reusability by easily scripting, sharing, and reusing TMDL scripts among semantic model developers. By this, the user can gain more control and transparency, showing all semantic model objects and properties and allowing changes to items not available in the Power BI desktop user interface. How can we enable TMDL? To enable this, the user can go to Options and Settings, move to Options, and then open Preview Features and then enable TMDL. As I've already enabled TMDL, so let's start. Why do we need TMDL? As a code editor, TMDL view facilitates bulk changes to your semantic model efficiently and provides useful features like search and replace, keyboard shortcuts, and multi-line editing. For instance, if you need to remove the prefix dim or fact from all your tables, you can script the full model, search for dim fact as a regular expression and replace it with an empty string. By this, the user can edit the measures, column name, updates the type and relationship between the tables by just dropping the table. When you're ready, you can click on that apply button to execute the TMDL script against the semantic model and have your TMDL code changes applied in a single step. In the event of a failure, an error notification is displayed to show that your modeling changes were not applied to the semantic model. You can view more information about the error by selecting the Show Details link, which is available in the notification, which then expands the output pane and displays the error details. So let's see the demo. If we are to change the column name, we will go to Replace and then click on Find and Search column and then change the column name. Like as you can see, I have changed the column name from segment to segment new. After changing the column name, if we have to update the discount sum measure so that it will return the sum of manufacturing price discount. So we can do this by just editing the code. Like as you can see, by just updating the code, I was able to update the discount summary. Also, and by clicking on the apply button, I'm able to save the changes. Also, if you have to change the data type, you may simply change the data type in the code. After changing the data type, if I have to save the changes, I will click on apply. And lastly, if I have to update the relationship between two tables, we can update it. We can update it by updating the column name in the code. As you're able to see, after updating the column name in the code and clicking on that apply button, our relationship gets changed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Please stay tuned to Dream IT's YouTube channel for more such informational content. Thank you.